Hey, what's up guys? This is Theodore Poison Brain Production. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to show the top secret you need to know in order to understand fully the mixing process. Let's get straight into this after the intro. Let's go.
Poison Brain Production.
So the mixing process is basically when you have an instrument and it plays above something else, you have a mix down. This is basically the definition of mixing. Now, when it comes to how they're bound together and how every sound complements each other, this is a whole different thing. This is a whole different process. This is actually the most part of the mixing. That's what we're trying to create. That's why when you record some vocals, you need to mix it back in order for the beat to fit correctly with your vocals, and then it will be able to pass through the mastering process in order to gain more loudness, to gain more saturation maybe, to become a little more beautiful and to resemble that color that the professional songs have. Now, this is basically an explanation of mixing. Now that we're able to understand this, we are ready to move on with more practical steps. What you need to know about mixing is, first of all, that we have three main categories that have to do with mixing, with music in general. So first of all, we have the stereo image of a sound. Where does every sound comes from? Number two, we have volumes, how loud it is. And number three, we have frequencies, okay, which frequencies are in this sound, and which also are clashing, of course, with each other. Okay, then we're passing through to the most problems. And finally, we have the combination of those three. Now, before we get to an advanced level, I want to share something really simple for you today. In order to see what actually sound clash with each other, you need to have the same stereo image. That's why when you keep something in mono, when you keep something in the center, then you're basically going to have another sound on top of the other. If they do not clash in frequencies, then you basically have this in center, which is low frequency, and you have this in center, which is high frequency, and they don't clash with each other. Or if you have the 808 and the kick in separate, then these two are going to clash with each other. That's when sidechain compression comes in. So basically, the one instrument ducks the other. That's what we have done actually here with the 808. So basically, I'm using the FabFilter Pro C2, which is actually a compressor as a sidechain, as you see here. So we have to set this to the external. If you're using this compressor, you have to set this to the external and also pick the source from here. I have this on the Ghost kick. I'm going to explain this in another video. So basically, when you notice this, when the kick kicks in, you have the 808 ducking the kick, and that's what we want actually, because the one is clashing with the other. If you basically notice these frequencies here, very low frequencies at the 808, and also let's go to the kick and notice again those frequencies. Okay, really low frequencies. Again, I could be talking for months like this in order to understand better what do you need to do. But right now you have taken a basic step through mixing. This is the most significant thing I can give you here in this video. Now, if you want to learn more, I have something amazing that can help you so much. Now stay with me until the end of the video. How does it feel to know one more secret that will get you closer to releasing your dream single? Now that you have understood this, you are ready to go and move on further. But of course, there are many things that have to do with mixing, with mastering, with how to promote this after you release this. And I know this is a very long journey. If you are an artist or a rapper, then this is a long journey. That's why I want to offer something in this community, because no one ever helped me when I was starting. So this means we're going to talk one-on-one on any issue you have on mixing, recording, mastering, promoting, and actually making a living as an independent artist. So if all these things are in your mind and you want to make money with your music, you want to promote yourself in a better way and have more fans into your social media, then now is the chance. I'm giving you the chance to go right now to my bio link or the link in the description and join the link to the testimonials. Watch the testimonials, and below there's a button, a red button. Then you will tap on this and you will go into the official website where you will be able to book your seat for a free one-on-one consultation session together with me. Now, when you fill up this registration, I want you to put detail on this. Don't just answer just because to answer, just because to spit some words, just because to say yes or no, and that's just all. No, answer in detail. I want to see a full registration, and probably I will be even more happy if you actually invest even more time than just a few minutes that it actually takes. So the only thing you have to do is take action right now, because these calls are going to stop. They're not going to be available forever. I'm not going to be helping people for free forever with this call. So take action now, give a big smile to yourself, and I'll see you live on the call. Bye.